Hello everyone. Say hi. Back for another story time. We're going to do another Elephant and Piggy book today. We're going to do Happy Pig Day. You like that book? You like that book? Alright, Alan and Maddie are excited. Hope you're excited as well. I'm excited. So you guys take your seats over there and we'll start. By Mo Willems, of course. We'll sit in your chair so you can see the story. Good idea. Good job. Get myself a little more comfortable so we can see. Here we go. Happy Pig Day by Mo Willems. There's a lot of pigs in this picture. Oh. There's the inside jacket cover. There's Piggy with a sign that says...
We want to find a pigeon.
In the outside jacket cover, we are I love pigs. Here we go. Happy Pig Day by Mo Willems. And there's Gerald. He looks a little hard to tell, a little forlorn over there. Here we go. Zip! Gerald! Gerald! Mm-hmm. I am so happy. Today is the best day of the year. Today is free ice cream day? No. Today is Happy Pig Day! Happy Pig Day? I never heard of it. He's never heard of it. Have you ever heard of it? Maddie, you ever heard of it?
Yeah.
You have? Oh, Maddie's heard of it. Yes! Happy Pig Day! The day of the pig! It's the best day to have a big pig party! It is the best day to sing pig songs. It is the best day to dance pig dances. Dance pig dances. No reaction. It is the best day to eat pig food. It is the best day to play pig games. Apparently pig games is bocce ball. You like playing bocce ball? Yeah, who knew? It's the best day to say, oinky oink oink. That means Happy Pig Day in pig. Ooh, and pig, that's right. Ooh, I did not know about Happy Pig Day. Look! Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. All my friends are here! Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink.
Oh, boo boo.
Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. That's a lot of oinky oink oink. And this is Gerald thinking, that is a lot of pigs. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oinky oink oink. Oh, he's leaving. Oinky oink. Oinky.
Good.
Isn't this great, Gerald? Gerald? Where is he? Aw. What's wrong with Gerald? He's sad. I wonder why. Are you okay? I am sorry, Piggy. I have a trunk. I have big ears. I am gray. I do not have a snout. I do not have hooves. I am not pink! I want to say Happy Pig Day in pig, but I'm not a pig. I am an elephant and I don't belong. No. Oh, Gerald. Happy Pig Day is not just for pigs. Happy Pig Day is for pigs ever dressed up in pig costumes. Look at this. Who's this? That's a squirrel. Who's that?
A cat.
Yeah, that's Dr. Cat. Who's that?
Bear.
That's a bear. That's right, Maddie. That's funny. They were all dressed up. So, what do you say to that? Look at his face. He's so surprised. Thank you. I say, oinky oink oink. He's excited. Yeah, exactly. Happy Pig Day to everyone, and a happy Pig Day to you, and a happy Pig Day to you, and a happy Pig Day to you, and a happy Pig Day to everyone. It's Pig Day. Everyone can celebrate.
I'm gonna find a pigeon.
All right, you ready? Let's see. You're gonna be faster than Isla. Where is the pigeon? Where is the pigeon? There he is. Good job. He's there. So there is Gerald, dressed up with a piggy snout, saying "I love pigs" for Happy Pig Day. Pigeon is so smart. He wrote eons on the end here.
After this, can we do an other story?
Sure. This says "I love pigeons." He's so smart. And that is the end of the story. You guys want to come back and say goodbye?
Then we can do an other story.
Sure. We got lots of stories. Stay tuned on this channel. There's always a story going on. So can you say goodbye?
What?
Yeah, say goodbye.
Bye.
Come in here so you're a little closer.
I'm
Say
gonna be
Happy Pig Day.
I'm going
Happy
to
Pig Day.
I'm going to
You
be
say happy-
hungry. I'm going to be hungry after when we do the other story.
Okay, well, you can snack away like you did through the last story. Say goodbye.
I'm gonna have ketchup chips again.
Bye.
Goodbye.
You're not on my screen. Come on over.
Goodbye.
Happy Pig Day.